My name is Ernie Maristobal, Automotive 2G. This is my problem solving. The conic section parabola. Determine the opening of the parabola, vertex, focus, heights of symmetry, the directrix, and light of Latus, rectum, and its vertex. First, given is open parenthesis is x minus 4 close parenthesis 2 equal 12. Open parenthesis y minus 1 close parenthesis. First, we find the opening parabola, the OP. The OP is upward because 12 is positive, not negative. So that's why upward. Then the vertex. The vertex is open parenthesis positive 4 and positive 1 close parenthesis. So now we find the P. And the P is 3. How and now let's find and how to get the 3 of P. 4 times 3 is 12. And the 3 is not, the 3 is parabola. And now we find the focus. Focus. The focus is open parenthesis positive 4 and positive 4 close parenthesis. How we got the 4 on focus? Because 1 plus 3 is equal 4. So that's why the focus is 4. Positive 4. And now the LR. The LR is positive 12. And now we find the vertex. First is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why the vertex is her. Positive 4. And now we find the focus. The focus is, first is we count her. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why the focus is her. Positive 4. And now we write the vertex. Here. Open parenthesis, positive 4 and positive 1. Close parenthesis. And the focus is here. Open parenthesis, positive 4 and positive 4. close parenthesis. Here the focus.
Minamit ko. O, mangutan na sa kalanay.
And
Okay,
vertex.
judge din. Ayaw si Kakuya.
Go.
And now, we find the final LR.
Ang inahan
How?
ang mga bata, nagsinanatala.
12
Ang mga bata, nagsige man nagsupon. Pero labi mo ito.
Divide. 2
Nagsige mo kung nagsupon
is
na sila.
6. So that's why 6. How find 6 in her? First is count 6 in positive and count 6 in negative. That's why we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, the final vertex is here. And this is open parenthesis, positive 10 and positive 4. Here is the LR. And we count 6 in the negative. First and now, we 0 count 6 in negative. How? First is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's why 6 is her. And in the positive 4. Here. Here is the LR. LR. Open parenthesis, negative 2, positive 4. And now, we draw. And now, this is the standard form. Ayan. And now, the EOS is x equal 4. Mga polos.
Go.
And now,
Ang mga
how
bata,
to find the
mga bata
x
na niya sa
equal
ubang.
4? Here. X. Open
Ang
parenthesis.
kanan niya, may
X.
tungayo ang number.
Negative 4. Plus parenthesis. And the x equal h. So that's why the 4 is h. Because the 4 is h. And now we find the directrix.
Bila kay mukha mo pananay mo.
The directrix is
Ano na ko ng pamilya?
y
Ay, wala na si Maayo.
equal negative 2.
Go.
And now, let's find the y equal negative 2. Here, first is p equal 3. And key is key equal negative 1. And 1 minus 3 equal 2. So that's why 2. And P is equal
3.
3. And K equal negative 1. 1 minus 3 equal negative 2. So that's why 2. And her. Y equal P. Negative K. So that's why the directrix is y equal negative 2.